Hi everyone, Kevin here. Look at those profits. If you got in a short, I want to show you what some profits look like. I'm about to get out of this because I think we're hitting the low last, and I'm going to close this trade out. That's 2 contracts, and I'm out. There is a total profit today. Where is it? Oh, right there. In one day, 2 contracts only. If you catch on the morning, and I'll explain some measured moves here. Yesterday, I was explaining this pattern, this 3-day cycle pattern that seems to be prevalent in the markets since there were markets. And I mentioned yesterday was a sell day. Today was going to be a short day, especially if it opened up high and the high occurred first, which it did, and it provided a very healthy move down, then a big retracement up, and then a more healthy move down, providing those profits I showed you. Now let's look at measured moves on the day. In front of me is today's action, and here are some measured moves that were used throughout the day. First one is this C retracement up here. 30 minutes into the morning, that retrace, that line right there is 61% of this AB move. The first 10 minutes, big move. If I go here, I go down here, it retraced near the 61%. That's where a lot of pivots come. They give you a nice red candle. That's the first move. The next measured move is this AB equals CD leg. And it takes us down to a 1.61, and that's where it pivots, and that's where all the shorts covered with the huge money in the morning. This is covering, short covering, a couple people adding on, buying, opening positions. That's the second measured move, 1.61. Magic. Guess which other measured move I'm going to look at now? What's up here? That's a 78% retracement of this big move, this big leg here. Here, I'll clean it up. So I made this leg down, AB leg, and there's the nice retracement area into the 78% line. And we got a pivot. And guess what what I'm going to look for right here, this green line down here is going to have a measured move. Guess which one? Yep. AB equals CD for a beautiful measured move and the gap fill. And here it is. AB equals CD. Right at the 100% mark. Mission accomplished. Job done. Filled the gap. Day's over. 2 big swings. Shorting from the top. It's a short day. Filling the pattern. Providing the move anticipated. And in conclusion, for those who hold overnight, the cover day is tomorrow. That means all these people in these shorts and holding on, we're looking obviously making a new low here at only 12.20, and I got out of my short positions right here because I hit that measured move. It filled the gap, but there's nothing wrong with, well, if you held overnight, tomorrow morning you want to cover near this low of today, which obviously they're making the low last. They made the high first. It's what we were looking for to get into a short. So they're going to make the low last. So that means tomorrow morning we're going to be maybe opening near today's low, a good area to cover. That's going to spark a couple buying pressure. After the cover day, the next day, that's where we'll look for a buy day underneath tomorrow's low. That's where we'll look for a buy day. And the cycle repeats itself. Sometimes it expands. You'll get 2 short days in a row. You get 2 sell days in a row. You get 2 buy days in a row. Or sometimes the lows and the highs don't. Sometimes, so for example, if this was a short day and it opened up down here, I wouldn't want to maybe short down here, but maybe get the move up here and then short, which might occur last. But the opposite occurred. The high occurred first, and then the low occurred last. So tomorrow, vice versa, a high might occur first. That wouldn't be very good to cover up here. I'd wait to come back down here and maybe get a low last. Remains to be seen. The market has the ultimate say on everything. But